Hi students, in the previous class, the first lesson is started. In that first lesson, 4 points are cleared. Let's see, fifth point is there. What is that fifth point? Just I am going to read a fifth point. However, when a noun is subject or thought as a different units, the plural verb is used as. So here what has happened, when nouns in the subject are different. Different means just separate. Difference means what? Separate. So at the moment we have to use a plural verb. We have to use a plural verb. So fourth point already stated. What? When the noun suggests only one idea, a person or refer, we have to use a singular verb. But here what's happened? However, when noun is subject or thought as a different, it means we have to make a difference. Shirt or pant, that like how we are making a difference, that like when you are going to make a difference, at the moment we have to use a plural verb. We have to use a plural verb. Let us see through the example. Bread and butter. Just bread and butter are changed separately. Are changed separately. Is it right? Change. We are separated. Butter is separated. Bread is separated. So that's the reason we have to use are helping verb. Okay, in the previous point, bread and butter is food. It means only one food. But here what? Bread and butter are changed separately. Butter is different, bread is different. That's the reason we have to use a plural verb. Let's see one more example. Sari and blouse. Sari and blouse are two pieces of a female dress, Yes, sari is different, blouse is different. These are not same thing. Female using these are things. Sari and blouse, these are separate, it is difference is there, so that's reason we have to use are. That's purpose we have to use are, because sari is different here and blouse is also different, not same. Let's see one more example is given. His secretary, and he is a typist. Are on leave today. See here, total two persons are there. Secretary is another person, typist is different. Both are different. Here secretary and typist both are same. No, typist is duty is separate and secretary's post is different. So that's the reason we have to use are. So it means what? However, when the nouns in a subject are thought of a different units, the plural verb is as used. I hope you understood this one. Let's see sixth one. Sixth point is that. What is the sixth point? Two or more singular subjects. Two or more singular subjects connected by or nor take a singular verb. Yes, one subject can already know that. If two subjects in the sentence, we have to take a singular verb. Example, just two or more singular subject. we have to single verb. We have to use a single verb. See here, no girl or boy. No girl or boy was punished. See here, it is also one subject. Girl is one subject. Boy is another one subject. So when two subjects, so we have to use singular helping verb. Girl is one subject, one more subject is there, that is boy. So that's the reason was we have to use. Punished. Is it understand? Let's see. Our happiness, one more example. Our happiness and our happiness or our sorrows is the result of our own action. Yes, happiness is okay, one noun, it means subject, sorrow is another subject. So that's reason we have to use is helping verb. Let's see some other one. One more example, let's see. First example, second example, third example is given. Let's see how either the cat or dog. The dog has spoiled it. Yes. Cat is one subject, dog is another subject, so helping verb we have to use has, singular. Okay. Let's say fourth one. Neither food okay, neither nor, just the nor water, neither food nor water, okay, was available there. See that water is different, food is another subject, so that's reason was. Is it understand? The statement is there, two or more singular subject, we have to use a singular verb. We have to use what? A singular verb. Is it understand? Let us see seventh one. Seventh one is there. Let's see what is that. But when one subject joined by or not, see that, or not, joined. When one subject is joined by nor or is plural, a verb must be plural and plural subject should be placed nearest the verb. See that. So for example, neither the chairman nor, yes, neither nor, just going to underline that, neither chairman nor the doctors were present. Sorry, directors. Directors were present. Here we have to use a plural verb. plural verb. Okay, where present. This girl what is that? This girl or those boys connected by or you have to look at. Okay, those boys know the secret. Is that right? In the first example we have taken nor. Second example we have taken or. Let's see one more example. Neither milk, so automatically we have to use neither nor. Neither milk nor eggs. So what you are writing here? Where? Available. Here. Where? I hope you understood this one. Okay. When one subject joined by nor or is plural, the verb must be plural. Verb also must be plural. You have to use the plural subject should be placed nearest the verb as. Okay. Let's see 8th point. When the subject joined by or nor, same thing. Or nor. When the subject joined by or and or are different person. Yes. Or different person, the verb agrees with the nearest one as. Okay. Different person. Let's see how. Either he or I am mistaken. Okay, here what's happened? Different person. He is different, I is different. Both are different. So that's the reason we have to use singular. Okay. Then either you or he. So you are right, is mistaken. Okay. Then neither she nor you are to blame. Neither my friend nor I am to blame. So this like we have to use the verb agreement with the subject. One more is there, but it is always better to avoid such constructions and to write is mistaken or else I am. Yes, commonly we are making a mistake, so try to avoid this one. She is not blamed nor are you. Yes, we have to use this method. We have to follow that method. Okay, here see students, look at the exercise number 1. Exercise number 1. Here what happened? Choose the correct verb to complete the sentence. Choose the exercise number 1 I am telling you. Choose the correct verb. It means in the bracket given first name. So first name one or two I am going to solve. More than 50 numbers. Just keep this point. More than 50 guests. In the bracket is or are. Okay, expected. Second example. Bread and butter. Bread and butter in the bracket is or her. Their greatest need now. See here. So what helping verb we have to take? You have to think first. More than 50 gets is or are. What is that? We have to select or. We have to select what? Or. More than 50 guests are expected. Okay. Bread and butter. Yes. Bread and butter. So, their greatest need now. So, what you have to use? Is. Bread and butter is their greatest need now. That like. Okay. Select the helping verbs very clearly and carefully. So second example is that correct the following sentence. Second main. Correct the following sentences. Either just I am going to write. Either I or my brother am going to attend party. So let's see one more example. Neither Ram nor his brother have a bicycle. See students, what you have tried to correct the following sentence. Something is wrong in this sentence. So, how you make it correct? Just check the helping verb. Check the helping verb. Either right or wrong. Okay. Here, either I or my brother am going to attend party. So just underline this one and this one. Underline the helping verb first. So helping verbs are correct or incorrect. You have to think that. Helping verbs are correct or incorrect. You have to think that. So actually that is wrong. Is it wrong? What you have write in that place? Either I or my brother is. We have to use is in the place of ham. We have to write what? Is. Either I or my brother is going to attend party. So now it is a correct sentence. Correct helping verb. Now it is a correct helping verb. Is it right? So that's like here. Neither Rama nor his brother. Neither Rama nor his brother. So what you have right there? Have is right or no? So what you have right? In that place you have used has. Neither Rama nor his brother has a bicycle. This like other examples you should do. So exercise homework is what? Complete exercise number 1, first main and second main. This is your homework. First main and second main. So many examples are there. Those examples you have to finish. Okay. See you in the next class. Thanks for watching the videos.